Okay, cut test. Well, first I wanted to show you something that I also have the Tano version, so you can compare them here real quick in case you like Tano blades. I went through a phase where I was buying all kinds of Tano blades, and then I discovered I didn't really like Tano blades. The reason is you don't have any belly. It's hard to get up to cut right down to something. You've got to use this little edge and get it just right, and it's hard. But it's the same size, it's just a different grind. Same length blade, so on. Alright. A good test. Now, I suggest that you go and see the video that I call Introduction to, or Intro to Blunt Tooth Knife Testing, because that'll tell you a lot of things about why I'm doing this and how I'm doing it. This is a good test. This blade will shave hair. No problem. I've shaved a lot off earlier today sharpening it, but razor sharp. And a knife that is razor sharp doesn't always do this. Beyond razor sharp, it will push cut 7-strand paracord like that. Nothing. All the way through clean, not a fiber left. If your knife can do that, you're there. It ain't gonna get much sharper. That's scalpel sharp. Knives that can't do that can still shave sometimes. It's beyond shaving sharp. So let's get on with it. I've got 2-ply cardboard here, and I'm gonna cut away and see what we get. One. A little rip in there. A little rip in there. Going through it fairly smooth though. Not having to push too much, but it's not quite like a razor blade, of course. A little ripping. Handle's comfortable to hold. This pocket clip bump I notice is kind of digging in right here a little bit. Don't like that pocket clip bump. That interferes with your gripping. Other than that, it's holding up real good. And if I were you and bought one and didn't care about keeping it as a collectible, I'd flatten out that a little bit. Take it off and hammer it a little flatter or something, pliers. That sticks up way too much. So, goes through cardboard pretty good. See how it does on wood. Some pressure treated lumber here, and it's actually not going through it very good at all. I've had other knives go through it much easier. taking a lot of arm power to get it to go in. It does do it. Let's see if we still have our edge. Yep. No problem. Still shaving. If it'll pop paracord, it'll shave. So it's not the best blade design, I guess, for carving into wood. Does it? I think flat grinds are better for wood, probably. But it works. Took off quite a bit of wood pretty quick. Blade's all warm. In case you're wondering how I did this, it was with the Tenacious. Damn Tenacious gets everybody, I think. But I wasn't closing it on my thumb. I was actually holding a rolling paper and cutting like this to test sharpness, and cut the end of my thumb off. I really like this knife. It seems to not do the wood as well as some other knives, but it's adequate. Okay, it's not the best at wood. Did pretty good on the cardboard. So all around, it's pretty good. It's not the best slicer, but it's got awesome gripping. Very comfortable. If you flatten out that clip, it'd be better. It's not very heavy and gives you really good blade length. And a nice strong tip. Big thumbs up on the Camillus Heat. Review over.